Welcome back to my channel. Has this ever happened to you? You go out to start your big green egg and you find that the seal has frozen shut. Well, today I'm going to show you how to unstick that. It's very easy to get your big green egg unfrozen. All you need is a couple of quick and easy items. I use a paper plate, some vegetable oil, an old newspaper or a paper towel, and something for fire. What I do is I take the newspaper and just crumble some of it up and then put a little bit of vegetable oil on one of the pieces just to make it burn a little longer, have it wick like a candle. That's all really neat. From here, we just go out to the big green egg. So let's go out and get a jacket on and go outside. Okay, so we've come outside, and as you can see, my big green egg is frozen shut. I can't do anything with it, and I want to do some cooks today. So what I'm going to do first is take the top off, if I can. That's frozen on too. Okay, so I would usually try to get the top off, but today it's stuck on. So we're just going to put some newspaper in the bottom and light it and hope we can get enough heat in there to defrost everything. So let's start with that. First I'm going to open up the bottom, open up the screen, and then I will take the newspaper that I've prepped and just shove it in the bottom and push it as far back as I can. And I'll use my grill tool to really make sure I get it back there. Now I'm going to use my grill torch just to light it on fire. As you can see, I'm starting to get some smoke up top, so we're starting to get some heat in there. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes and I'm going to try the top and see if it's defrosted. It is moving and we have some smoke coming out. So I'm going to keep an eye on the thermometer there. We'll get some air going through it and we'll get some heat going in there and we should be able to pop it open in just a second. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Temperature's just below 100 degrees inside and we're now free. Bonus is that any lump that you had in there is now lit, and all you have to do is add lump to it and you're done and you're ready to cook for the day. I hope this helped. Thanks everyone.